Once we were in jail, I never again saw our black colleagues, but they were not silent. When the students arrived in jail, particularly the young women, they were not going to be peacefully put in segregated jail cells. They raised a ruckus, and the students started singing as freedom songs as loudly as they could, banging on the jail bars. I was in jail in a cell with two white men who were there for criminal activity, and I actually thought when I first entered that jail cell that this was the moment when I was finally going to be beaten to a pulp. Instead, what I found was these white cellmates loved the ruckus. They'd been bored out of their minds, and we all started, those of us who were civil rights movements, singing, as the whites as well as the blacks, and banging on the bars, and that made an instant friendship with these white cellmates. So regardless of why we were there, they were thrilled to have anybody confront the jailers with them. The whites then were put on trial in the Attala County courthouse, charged with malicious mischief. All the black students, even those who were adults, were simply released to their parents' recognizance, to their parents' homes. Those of us who were white, myself, Gunther Frentz, Alan Moonves, and Timothy Gould, were found guilty of malicious mischief, sentenced to 90 days in jail, given $300 bails to post, with the expectation that we would then leave town. We did not leave town. That was not our plan. So Judge Mickle then cut the bail in half so that we would each have $150 with which to buy a bus ticket or a train ticket, anything to get us to leave Attala County. But we were committed to staying and working with the activists in the black community, but we did so with the 90-day jail sentence hanging over our heads while it went through the appeals court.